Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today we're going to learn some advanced English sentences. So let's begin. Normal versus advanced English. So the first is let's meet today. चलो आज मिलते हैं. Let's catch up today. I am very happy. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I am over the moon. I am very busy. मैं बहुत busy हूँ. I am swamped. It's very cold outside. बाहर बहुत ठंड है. It's freezing outside. You are so lucky. तुम बहुत lucky हो. You are so jammy. Keep it a secret. इसको secret रखो. Keep it under wraps. I am very tired. मैं बहुत थका हुआ हूँ. I am exhausted. Are you mad? क्या तुम पागल हो? Are you out of mind? I am fit and healthy. मैं स्वस्थ और तंदुरुस्त हूँ. I am fit as a fiddle. I am bit busy. मैं बहुत व्यस्त हूँ. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching. Take care everyone. Please do like, share and subscribe.